Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove grid. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Lucidchart, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Removing the grid in Lucidchart is a simple process that is beneficial in various scenarios depending on your design and collaboration need. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to open the document that you wanted to remove with the grid, or if you haven't already, just go to the upper left corner, just click on the new to start a Lucidchart document from scratch or create from template. In my case, I'm going to be opening this specific file that I have been working on. And then for you to be able to remove or hide the grid in this platform, all you have to do is hover to the view section, go to the grid, and you see you have an option that says grid. The grid is these lines right here at the back. If you unselect that, you see the lines has been removed, right? Go again to the view if you want to check the grid style. All right. For example, you wanted to turn it back, you can simply select the dot grid and click the show grid. Now you have two options for the grid, line and the dot. All right, so these are going to be some of your options. If you go to the grid settings, if you wanted to kind of manipulate and tweak some settings, you see, if you don't want that, just click on this section. You have two options. All right, if you do, in the line style, you have dots and the line. But of course, you can also increase the size of the grid. For example, if you're going to be using the dot line, you have an option to increase the dots for as long as you want. You can snap to objects, or snap objects to grid, snap to guides, or show guides if you want. So these are going to be some of your options. The reason you're doing this is that a gridless canvas sometimes provides a cleaner, as you can see, and less cluttered appearance, especially when presenting your diagram to your client or maybe on a professional settings within your team or company or organization. Without the grid right here, the focus shifts entirely to the diagram elements rather than the underlying canvas of the grid. All right. Of course, it gives you more creative or free-form designs. The grid may feel restrictive. Removing it allows you to place objects with complete freedom. Some diagrams or visuals such as mind maps or custom illustrations do not require the structured alignment provided by a grid. And again, all you have to do is right-click the document settings if you want to show off the grid by clicking the grid to snapping. Show grid, it will be back again to the default. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.